already tightened this once. You can see it's gone loose again. So we're going to replace that.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live, where I live.
So we have 1/4 inch by 50 shock cord. We've got plastic replacement shock cord ends. I don't want to reuse the metal ones. Now I've only got 2 of them out here, but you can see I've got 1, 2 over there, and then 2 up there. I need to grab 2 more. So these are the hooks. The shock cord goes in there, comes out here, you tie a knot in it, cinch it down, and it locks down into that pocket. The only issue I have with this, they ship these from the factory with the tang sticking out. See that? So just take your thumb and push it around. Now the tang is on the inside where it belongs. That's the only issue I've got with these. These are perfectly smooth. There's nothing on these to catch on the canvas of the pop top. That's why I selected these instead of going back with the wire ones. Well, somewhere between when I ordered these and today, I've apparently misplaced one. They come in a pack of 10, I believe, and I can only account for 9. So, no big deal. I only need 4. So, that's what's going on to the van. I've got to get some scissors. I've got to get a lighter out there. When you cut the cord, to keep the ends from fraying, you need to singe them. It is incredibly hot out again right now. The UV is not as intense as it was, but it's much hotter heat index wise than I can take. This is the hottest part of the Texas year. So yeah, I'm just going to wait until after sundown. And I am expecting a delivery today that will help with this. If it doesn't come in, I'll rig something else. But there should be a video light coming in today. And that way I can work outside in the dark and still show you guys what I'm seeing. After sundown, I can see pretty well, but the camera doesn't pick a whole lot up. I want to get more light on the subject. If that doesn't happen, I have some gooseneck lamps here that I can rig away to get them up so you can see what I'm doing. But let me talk about it. Okay, so you see how that goes up to those eyelets. There's eyelets down here. They crisscross in the back. Eyelets all the way around. And above and below the front window. Same thing on the other side. Let's go back to the back. You see that dark spot there? That's actually a space where I need to put a canvas patch in. But the shock cords interlock there. I don't want them to do that. I want to put one long shock cord in here. I may not have that option. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll just go ahead and crisscross them like they've done before. You know that Willer Sport Outdoors is all about trying to help you do what you can, when you can, how you can, within your physical budget and locale restrictions. I'm here in Southeast Texas. I'm a big guy and I'm on some medications that keep me from being able to be exposed to intense sunlight and high temperatures for long periods. This is a real drawback living where I do. But it beats the alternatives. So, that said, the current heat index is 107 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat index at 8 p.m. tonight is 89 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a problem. Sundown is just before that. We're not going to have enough light for this camera to pick up what I'm doing with any decent detail. I want to try, and I'm going to try rigging a light. I'm expecting something to be delivered today. I don't know if it's going to be delivered early enough, and I don't know if it's going to be delivered early enough to be charged up. And if it's any good. I ordered a dirt cheap rechargeable video light from Temu. I took a shot. They were dirt cheap, and if it does what I need it to do, I'll be happy. If it doesn't, I won't be too terribly upset. So if that doesn't work, I have some flex neck desk lamps. I don't know how to describe it. It's the one with the flexible gooseneck thing and the head that looks like the like the little lamp that bounces on the ball thing, but it has a different kind of articulating arm from the movie studio. Anyway, I'm gonna rig something. Now, if that something is gonna require, duct tape and a broomstick, doesn't matter. I'm gonna get something going for you guys. But that's where I'm at. The only thing that's gonna keep me from moving forward with this, with any real expedited activity, is of course going to be rain. It's not gonna snow, at least not yet, not for a long time. So, not worried about that. I'm worried about getting, poured on. So until that time, we'll put a pause in this, and I'll be back this evening. You'll see through the magic of video what's happening next. Well, there it is. The new shock cords. They tuck in right where they're supposed to. I've got to work on some rust repair. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please be sure that you click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share my video with your friends and family. Please be sure you go back and check out the older videos in the archive. There's some great stuff in there that I'm sure you'll enjoy. And if you'd like to support my work, please be sure to visit us at wildersportoutdoors.com and buy some merch. There's some great stuff there, and it'll go a long ways to help us out. All right, that's it. That's the video for today. Stick with us, and you'll catch the next one. And like I always tell you, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling when you're nothing